In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Roblox cursor. So what you'll have to do first, simply open in the browser, go to the URL section, look for icon X. Go and click on that, click on the first link, and here, for example, we'll have to go look for cursor. So here, it's totally up to you to just look for the cursor that you want. For an example, let's just say it is this one. Click on download. So if you don't have like the 64x64 option, just go and click on custom size and choose 64. Then click on download. Once click on save, once it is downloaded, of course, we will be able now. So now once it is downloaded, you can just go, as example, look for Roblox player. Make sure to go and open the file location. As an example, once it's open the file location, just right click on it, click on open file location again. And as an example, is it still, no, this is the one that we want. Let me just go and make it bigger a little bit. So here, an example, you can go up, click on content. And here, as an example, you'll have to go and click on textures. And in here, we'll have to go and look for cursors. If you can't find it, just go and search in here at the top right. So once you click on it, on that, as an example, here you should find keyboard and mouse, and you should find two options. So these names are very important. You don't want to lose that. So on my download option, as an example right here, you can just go and refresh that. I'll have, first of all, let me just go, as an example, why not? Let me just go and create here a new folder. New folder, I'm just going to name it like cursors. So cursors. And I'm going to drag this in. So of course, I'll need first of all a copy of that. So I'm just going to do like a copy of that, and I'll need to do here simply copy this and paste it right here, and simply copy this name and paste it on the other copy. For example, this is my new names. Of course, if you want like your cursor to change once you hover, clickable thing, you can go and download another one, and simply instead of copying like what I did in here, so I copied like the same picture. So example, same picture for both. If you want for you, when you hover something, the cursor should change, you can go here and look for something that suits your needs. When it changes, maybe an example is become something like this. It's totally up to you. You can go and choose that. So once you choose that, so now what you'll have to do is simply come back here to the both that you have. Let me just go and click on Control X. Come here, Control V, replace an example, and my new cursors should be here. So I can just go and close all of that. I don't need it anymore. Let me just go and open downloads again to remove this. So now I will just close this as well. As an example, for me, I already have like Roblox open, so just go and close it and open it up again. So once it's open this time, the cursor should be changed. As you can see, here is our new cursor. If we go and hop on in a game, as an example, the cursor will be the same. And of course, you can change it to whatever cursor you want. You can make like the cursor, when you hover, it's changed, the beam cursor, as an example, changed, and here we are. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.